there's insistence on unincorporated. And if then you are to sue, how do you sue the board? And while still on that section, 20B, a judge nominated by Chief Justice, being an office in the executive, proposed by the President and approved by the National Assembly, for what reason would a member of the judiciary be found necessary to be part of the board? That's my first question. Second question, 20C, and look at 20CA as you look at 20E5. 20CA gives the role of the board as advice. All the roles that are given there, including recruitment and appointment, they do not have the power to do it, but they merely advise the AG. If that is the intention, then is that consistent with 20E5, which now puts the board in making a decision of the majority and even voting? I'd have thought that if they are merely to advise, the question of voting and the chair, who is the AG, having a casting vote does not arise, because advice should just be advice. Number 3, section 22, the same page, sub 2. The remuneration and benefits payable to the Deputy Solicitors General, State Council, and other staff shall not be reviewed to their disadvantage, and the retirement benefits shall not be varied. I would understand this for an office like the AG, but the number of staff members in the AGs are in their thousands, I would imagine, or hundreds. These are provisions we usually use for judges for obvious reasons. Why would we protect a state council in my village of Madiany from variation if the times become hard? Lastly, the very last page, number 4, proposals to amend the Rules Committee, section 81, to reduce the number of Law Society of Kenya members from 8 to 3. Looking at the current composition, the judiciary alone has 6 members. And then there's the Kenya Law Reform Commission and 8 members of the Law Society of Kenya. If it's merely a question of costs, why not reduce all sectors, including representation of the judiciary, and not just the advocates? Because the advocates are the primary consumers of these services. Thank you very much.